Hey guys, welcome back to Vivid Artistry. My name is Emily Artist. I apologize for being away for a little bit. I told you I would be uploading sporadically at the beginning. So just to keep it nice and short, I had a cold sore for 2 weeks. You can still see the remnants of that. It's completely gone. It's just a scar for now. So we're just going to cover it up and forget about it. Then after that, I had a sty for a little bit. So I had to figure that out. And then my fiance started school. So then we had to adjust schedules again. So now I am finally back and we are here with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a twisted cut crease flower look. So no eyeshadow is going to be involved at all. It is only going to be eyeliners and liquid lipsticks and things like that to achieve this particular look. I know this look has been around for a little bit and I have been doing these types of looks at my work all the time. And when I was racking my brain on what to upload to this channel and I was looking back on some old videos, I realized that I hadn't posted a video like this. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So the majority of this video is going to be focused around the eye look as per usual. But if you guys would like to see an updated eyebrow routine or foundation, concealer routine, or if you just want to see me do the rest of my makeup in general and not just eyeshadow looks, please let me know in the comments down below. So without further ado, we are just going to go ahead and jump right on in. Alright, so I went ahead and I put my hair back, I did my eyebrows, and I prepped my eyes for all of our design work off camera. And now I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more just so you can see everything that I'm about to do. So I will be taking my MAC liquid liner in brush black, and I'm going to be creating a wing and then a cut crease with this. So I'm going to be taking it a little bit higher since I have hooded eyes. I really want everybody to be able to see the line because then we're going to be wrapping the vines and the flowers around it. So if I have my eyes open, it's going to be up here almost, and then it's going to go out into a flick and connect to that wing. So I'm going to do my best to keep this in frame as much as possible. And if I can't, I'm sorry, you will see the final result. While I was putting on the eyeliner, it dried out on me, so I'm now going to be switching to my MAC Liquid Last 24-hour liner in the color Point Black. This one is a little bit more difficult to control, so I will do my best to keep it nice and sharp for you guys. Alright, so now that my crease is in and my wings are there, they're a little thicker than I thought they were going to be, but that's usually how it goes with liquid eyeliner sometimes, so we're just gonna keep moving on. I am now going to be wrapping the vines around my cut crease and my wing. So in order to do that, I'm going to be using my Glam Vice Retro Liner in Sour Apple. So this is a water activated liner that I was turned on to by some people from my work, and I am obsessed with them. So I will be taking this very, very fine brush and I'm just going to be taking that and just literally wrapping around the crease and then around the eyeliner. Alright, so now that the vines are nice and twisted, I am now going to go in with any color that I have that's liquid that will give me flowers. I will be jumping into my Gavassi Beauty Split Cake liquid liner in UV Neons. So these ones are very neon colors. So I'm mostly going to be hanging out with this purple shade, possibly the yellow later, but mostly the purple. And I will be using all of these liquid lipsticks. This is Jeffree Star Blow Pony. This one is Kat Von D Backstage Bambi. And then this one is Sephora Collection in the shade 12. And I will also be using this retro liner by Glam Vice in the color Skate Date. And this one is like a white color. So I will be using all of these lovely colors just to get some nice flowers. And I'm just going to be strategically placing them on the vines and then adding leaves later. Alright, so now my eyes up top are completely done. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It looks very pretty, very floral, and it's on the purple theme, which obviously is my favorite. So I am now going to go off camera and do my foundation, bronzer, blush, highlighter, all of that. And when I come back, we will finish up with doing the lower lash line. And again, if you want to see this part of the video, please let me know down below so I know for next time. Alright, so now that my face is done, I'm going to zoom you guys back in so we can finish up the lower lash line. And I lied earlier, the majority of the look is with liners, but my lower lash line will be an eyeshadow color. And I'll be going in with my Suva Beauty Hypercolor eyeshadow palette. And I will be using the shade called Euphoria. And I will be placing that on my lower lash line. I will now be taking the shade called Mojito from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'll be placing that on my inner corner. Alright, so that is the eyeshadow look completely done, so I'm now going to go off camera, do my lashes and lipstick, and when I come back it will be the final look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I am very, very happy with how it turned out. It took a little bit to get here, but we are here and I am living for it. And for those of you who might be curious as to what lip combination I am wearing today, I am wearing the lipstick by MAC called Please Me and the Dazzle Glass lip gloss over top called Sugared Rimmed. These two together I am obsessed with. I feel like it gives enough color for the face so that it brings my lips out a little bit more, but it still doesn't overshadow the eye look, which, I mean, to be honest, how could anything overshadow this eye look? I am living for it. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and also comment below on looks you would like to see me do, as well as if you like this look or not. Also make sure to comment down below if you would like to see more of my makeup routine, not just my eyeshadow looks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye!